Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are checking out Famous AI, an app that claims to build your personal brand using artificial intelligence. But is it really helpful or just overhyped? Famous AI says it helps you grow your influence fast by generating viral content, scheduling your posts, and managing your social presence with just a few clicks. You start by answering a few questions about your niche, tone, and goals. Then the app creates ready to post content like tweets, threads, videos, and even captions for Instagram or LinkedIn. But here are some things to consider. The AI content can feel generic or repetitive if you don't edit it. It's not cheap, pricing can go up depending on how many platforms or features you use. There is limited real proof of influencers going viral just by using it. However, the dashboard is clean, the tools are fast, and it does save time if you are managing multiple accounts. So, is Famous AI legit? Yes, it's a real platform with useful tools, especially for creators and coaches who want to save time. But don't expect to go viral overnight. It's not magic, you will still need your voice, vision, and effort. Try the free trial, test it for a week, and decide if it fits your goals. Like this video if it helped, drop a comment if you've tried Famous AI, and subscribe for more honest AI app reviews. Thanks for watching.